Today's video, guys, is going to be installing a new PTO cable on your piece of equipment or whatever it may be. This is my C30, so the way I'm installing this one might not be exactly the same as you're going to install yours, but hopefully you get some ideas and information that you may find helpful in this video. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be relocating my PTO cable. I don't know about you guys. If you ain't, you can reinstall it the same place your factory one is. I'm actually not happy with the place location of this one. It gets in the way, as you can see. I didn't put this here, it's on the truck. So I'm fixing that because, yeah, that's just a pain in my ass. So, what I have figured out, let me get the knob. I'll probably put my PTO thing right about here. That way I can pull in and out on it. It's kind of straight. Or I could put it right in here. It'd either be put here or here. It's out of the way of the gear shifter, so probably best just put it here. That way you can pull out on it. I would like it on up a little bit, but I'm scared it would interfere with my CD player when I put one in it. I ain't 100% on that. I'll decide here in a minute, but most likely I'm going to put it about right in here. So if you're actually going to go ahead and install one, you will need a drill bit the size of this. So match you up a drill bit with the size of this and drill your hole. So let's get started. Okay, I got this old cable removed. As you can see, they got a hole drilled right there. I'll probably end up siliconing that up once I get my new cable through it. Just keep, you know, fumes and stuff from getting into the cab. Over there's the hole we have drilled for the new PTO. So I'm gonna crawl into the truck and try to get this one on out. Okay, it's got the cable pretty well situated. I fed it through on the inside. I should have plenty of room enough for a CD player when we add one. Now I gotta feed my new cable through the old escape hole, which is should be simple and easy. Okay, when you feed your cable through, make sure it's not going to bound anywhere. As you can see, this one makes a smooth transaction through here and goes back through the, that's about like the other cable that was on it was routed, just a little bit different, but almost the same. I got it zip tied in place on the frame to hold it nice and still and away from the header. You don't want no heat touching that, even though it does got a steel core to it that protects the wire. So make sure it's nice and neat. Now on to the next step, which is underneath the truck. Okay, your cable will pretty well have a clamp on it that you can loosen and feed it through, and it snugs up on it just like this. And don't know if you can tell much in the photo because it is getting dark on me. But once you route your cable the way you want it, you want to make sure it is not bound up. It's got a smooth transaction to over here. And then you got two bolts, usually, or one, that tighten up on the wire, just like so. You want to make sure the cable is pushed all the way in, and that your PTO is all the way disengaged. You may have to use the cable a few tries to get it perfect, but I tried this one out and it works great. Once you get everything pretty well underneath tightened up, you want to try it a few times and make sure it's adjusted right, because sometimes you have to go back under and adjust the cable a little bit after you use it just one or two times. But once you do that, everything should be good. I done tested this out and it's perfect. I'm very happy with it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop me a like. I appreciate it. Leave me a comment, and check my channel out for more content, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.